Welcome to Quick Particulars.
This video guides you through the major steps that you need to follow for starting your own business. So join us to help you develop an organized and systematic plan to open your own business. Starting a new business can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor. However, it requires careful planning and execution to increase the chances of success. Here are some key basics to consider when starting your own business. 1. Identify your business idea. Begin by brainstorming and researching potential business ideas. Consider your interests, skills, and market demand.
Look for a unique value proposition that sets your business apart from competitors.
2. Conduct market research. Evaluate the market viability of your business idea. Analyze your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Determine if there is a demand for your product or service and identify potential customers. 3.
Develop a business plan. A business plan serves as a roadmap for your business.
Outline your mission, vision, objectives, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. This document will help you stay focused and attract investors if needed. 4. Determine your legal structure. Decide on the legal structure that best suits your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Consult with a lawyer or an accountant to understand the legal and financial implications of each structure. 5. Register your business. Register your business name and obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. Register with the appropriate government agencies and obtain an employer identification number, EIN, if required. 6.
Secure financing. Determine how you will finance your business. Explore options such as personal savings, loans, grants, or seeking investors.
Create a budget and financial projections to understand your funding needs. 7. Set up your infrastructure. Establish a physical or virtual location for your business. Purchase equipment, set up necessary systems, and ensure you have the resources to deliver your product or service effectively. 8. Develop a marketing strategy. Identify your target market and create a marketing plan to reach and attract customers. Utilize various channels such as social media, advertising, public relations, and networking to promote your business. 9. Build a team. Determine if you need employees or if you can initially manage the business yourself. Hire individuals with the skills and expertise required to help your business grow. Develop job descriptions, establish clear roles and responsibilities, and consider employee benefits. 10. Establish a financial management system. Set up an accounting system to track your income, expenses, and cash flow. This will help you monitor your financial health, prepare tax documents, and make informed business decisions. 11. Start selling and refining. Launch your business and start generating revenue. Seek customer feedback and adapt your products or services accordingly. Continuously assess and refine your business strategies to stay competitive and meet customer needs. 12. Stay compliant. Familiarize yourself with legal and regulatory requirements relevant to your industry. Stay updated on tax obligations, licenses, permits, and any changes in regulations that may impact your business. Remember, starting a business requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Be prepared to face challenges along the way and be open to learning from both successes and failures. Stay focused on your goals and adapt to market changes to build a successful and sustainable business. Thanks for watching.